how to set the default USB configuration to transferring files or images or charging USB tethering on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Then in the settings page, scroll down to the bottom and tap on developer options. Next, we scroll down and then tap on default USB configuration. From the list here, you can choose transferring files or USB tethering, MIDI, transferring images, or charging phone only. And said here, this setting will be applied when your phone is unlocked and connected to another device. Only connect to devices that you trust. And after that, tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.